Alright, and this one's from me, Ziggy. This is from Daddy. What is it, Zig? Open it. What is it, Zig? Open it. What is it, Ziggy? Oh my god, what is it? What is it? What is it, Ziggy? Oh, look. It's a new skateboard.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look, Zig.
You like it? He does. Are you happy?
Ziggy.
Ziggy? You like your new skateboard? Yeah, yeah.
Yay!
Happy birthday, mister.
Happy birthday, Ziggy.
Oh, of Ziggy.
I think you like football.
No.
Oh, and you got a card here too, Zig. Says, every dog has his day,
Ziggy, listen to Mummy.
and
Mummy's
today
talking to
it's
you.
yours. Happy birthday, you crazy fool. Happy birthday. Ah,
Happy birthday, Ziggy.
dear Ziggy, happy second birthday. We hope you have a fantastic day and enjoy your cool new gift. We are very proud of you, Spoon Pig. Lots of love, Mummy, Daddy, and your little brother.
Eat him.